Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today we're going to try something different. We're going to make a bacon beer ribeye steak. Something I literally just created in my head one day and I wanted to try. So let's get started. So first thing we want to do is we have our ribeye steak. You want to put it in a good, durable Ziploc baggie. And you're not going to need that much, maybe about half a can of beer. And then you want to go ahead and make sure you seal it really good. And then go ahead and set it in the refrigerator for about half an hour to an hour. That's all it really has to marinate. Next, you want to go ahead and cook up some bacon, and you want to make sure you get it extra crispy, and you're going to see why in a moment. So after we let the bacon cool down on some paper towels and it cools down, you're going to want to put it in a Ziploc baggie, and what we're going to do now is go ahead and pound it out and try to make like a bacon powder. So our steak has been marinating for about, I want to say 45 minutes. We're going to go ahead and season it. We got some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some of that bacon powder. We're not going to put any salt on it because the bacon actually has a lot of salt. Go ahead and press that in. And then we're going to flip it and we're going to do the same thing. At this point, we want to go ahead and let it rest for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime, we're going to preheat our cast iron skillet on medium heat. So here we have our cast iron skillet heated. Let's go ahead and throw some butter on. Now we're going to throw our steak on. Now this steak is about an inch thick, and I want a medium heat. I want a medium steak, so we're going to cover it and let it sit for about 3 minutes. So here we are 3 minutes later. We're going to go ahead and flip it, cover it, and come back in another 3 minutes. And there you have it. Our bacon beer ribeye is done. Let's give it a taste test. Definitely good. I'm telling you, give it a try. You're not going to be disappointed. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.